this video, I will show you how you can create groups in your classroom. Now, groups are very useful, especially if you want to differentiate groups in your classroom. You want to give a sense of competition between groups in the classroom, or if you have teamwork. It's also good for classroom management. So simply go to groups, add a group. Let's say I want to add these 5 students in one group called team 1, group 1. Click create group, then team 2, group 2, these other 5 students, and voila. Now, the thing about groups is that if you want to move a student from one team to the other, let's say I want to add Jisoo to this team, I select her, but I need to go to team 2 and remove Jisoo from there. And here are the students, and you should know that if you give points to, let's say, team 1, let's say 5 points, the points will also be reflected on the students' say tab. So yeah, be mindful of that. Thank you.